Hi everyone, it's Lee from Boffy Racing. Unfortunately, you're out here today with me and Mary on the street. I've got a brake job to do. The front offside caliper has been binding and the pad is a little worse for wear. All the material started to come off of it. I'll show you what the cause of that is a little bit later on. So I've actually got a set of EBC yellows that have been sent to us. They're a brand new compound that they're trying out, great for lightweight cars that, they want us to test. I've got a whole sheet of a write-up to do about our experience with those. So come with me today, we'll see how we get on. Okay, so let's pull this off. So this pad's had it, to be honest. All the edges are disintegrating. There's grooves in the pad. It's not the pad's fault. Unfortunately, this slider pin, the boot has swollen and there's just so much friction in the pad that the caliper isn't able to move backwards and forwards. So it's stuck. It's got stuck and it's just overheated the pad, unfortunately. You can even see that the boot of the boot of the piston is also perished. So I've got a complete rebuild kit for it. So we're going to rebuild all the calipers, but for now I'm going to bang the new pads in. We're about to head off to Anglesey, so that's about a 2.5 hour drive for me. I'll be going across the Peak District. I'll be meeting James there. He's got a 5 hour drive, so we're going to go and hit up Track Mon. So tomorrow it should be good. We're praying for dry weather. Supposedly we've got Storm Dennis on the way, although today the weather's actually not been too bad. With that in mind, I'm taking my AR1s with me so that I can, make the most of it if there is any dry weather. Otherwise I might run the road tyres. We'll see how we get on. So we've just arrived at Anglesey about 10 minutes ago. It's about 7 o'clock now on Sunday. The rain at the moment seems to be holding off. It is pretty windy. We're pretty exposed here, so hopefully that will dry the track out. We will find out. Hopefully the rain stays off. It was awful last night. It was chucking it down. The sign on the B&B was horizontal, but it seems to be okay now. Hopefully Dennis is gonna leave us alone. You can hear it rattling the shutter doors in the background. Let's have a good day. So we need to change some brake pads. I've already done the front pads. Got some EBC yellow stuff to go in the rear. They sent us a whole set of pads with a new compound for us to try out. So I'm going to get to doing that. we're done for today. We've got till 10 to 4. The weather's been beautiful. Just, it's, well, horrendous. Storm Dennis is now here, so we'll be making our way home. So last night at about 10:30, we'd been on the road for about 5 hours. I was about 20 minutes away from my parents' house where I was staying, and 3 of my tyres fell off my boot rack. I should have checked how tight the ratchet strap was. I'm so lucky that they haven't ended up at the bottom of a ditch full of water. I've just been out, I've managed to find all 3, so let's go pick them up. Honestly, I am amazed I managed to find all 3. I mean, £100 a tyre plus a set of wheels. Right, into the office. So we're now back at the shop. Anglesey was awesome. The corkscrew, what a corner. The whole thing was extremely challenging. The views were incredible. Just a great day. We can't believe the luck that we had with the weather. The EBC pads, they were fantastic. To be honest, they far outperformed what we expected. The initial bite was great. The fade resistance was really good. They didn't glaze over. So we were impressed. We'll be sending our feedback to EBC about those. And the whole weekend was a resounding success. So thanks very much for watching this video. We'll be bringing a lot more out in future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you very much.